It's my friend's birthday. Let me write some nice things in this card for her. Happy birthday, girl. You rock. Whew. Yeah, I suck with writing in cards. I've never been good at it. I am someone who honestly and truly struggle writing in cards. Like, it's difficult for me because I don't want to write too little and then I don't want to write too much. Like, for instance, you're at work. One of your coworkers, they've been out for a while. Let's get a card for them. So, it's a coworker that you know, it's not that you dislike them, but you don't know too much about them. Like, I have a hard time. I don't know what to say. Like, at this point, this is when I usually go look at what other people wrote. I'm like, okay, yeah, Sarah said this. All right, I'm going to take some of what Sarah said, and then I'm going to take some of what Tiffany said, and I'm going to combine that, switch up some words a little, and then I'm going to sign my name at the bottom. But then when it's like a coworker that I really, really like, I don't want to write too much. I'm like, oh my gosh, I miss you so much. Please come back to me. How dare you leave me with these people? You know you're my favorite coworker. Like, everybody can see what you write in a card. So they won't see that like, oh, where? Like, leave you with us? Like, yeah. So, like, I don't know. And as weird as it sounds, like, I'm so much better with writing things, like, in text messages. Like, if it's a friend's birthday, I can get real sentimental and real emotional with it. And I just feel like with the card, like, granted, you could show people a text message, but I just like with the card, it's there, it's open. Like, you have nosy people around. The card gets left alone. And then you see me being all sentimental, like, oh my God, Rosetta does have a soft side. Like, nah. No, I don't. So for me, I really struggle. Like, it's hard for me, and I know I'm not the only person out there. I know I'm not the only one who looks to see what the other person wrote and steal their ideas. But I just want to say thank you for watching, guys. I will be back. If you like what you see and you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey. Until next time, look at that. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah, mwah. See you soon.